If you've heard that Amazon recently changed how Echo devices handle privacy, and you're not sure what actually changed or what control you still have, you're not alone. In 2025, Amazon removed a setting on some Echo devices that allowed certain voice requests to be processed in the cloud. That change surprised a lot of people, and understandably so. I'm Morgan, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to take that control back without losing the features you love. We're going to walk through 4 critical settings to tighten your privacy while keeping your Echo just as smart as it is today. And that starts with your rolling voice history. If you've had an Echo for years, Amazon likely has a very long history of every request you've ever made. Most people don't realize you can set your account to clean itself up automatically. Open your Alexa app, tap the 3 horizontal bars at the bottom of the screen for the More menu. Then, Alexa Privacy. And select Manage your Alexa data. Look for voice recordings and transcripts. I recommend switching your enablement setting to the 3-month auto-delete option. Then tap Confirm. It's the perfect middle ground. It keeps your cloud footprint small, but gives Alexa enough memory to still recognize your voice and your playlists. But your voice data isn't just about what you say. It's about who else can use your bandwidth. Have you heard of Amazon Sidewalk? It's a shared network that allows your devices to stay connected by using a small slice of your neighbor's internet, and vice versa. It's on by default in 2026, but if you're uncomfortable sharing that bandwidth, you can disable it completely. Here's exactly where to find that setting. In the Alexa app, go to Settings, then Account Settings, and select Amazon Sidewalk. From there, simply toggle it to disabled. One quick note, Amazon Sidewalk will only appear in this menu if you have a compatible device, like an Echo Dot. If you don't have any Sidewalk-enabled devices on your account, you won't see this option at all. And if you do turn Sidewalk off, your devices will stay connected only to your own private network. Now, while your bandwidth is one concern, your wallet is another. Convenience is great, but accidental purchases aren't. Whether it's kids, guests, or even a TV commercial, it is far too easy to buy something by mistake through your speaker. You need to check your voice purchasing settings. Tap the 3 horizontal bars at the bottom of the screen for the More menu. Go to Settings, then Account Settings. Select Voice Purchasing, and then Purchase Controls. You have 2 good options here. You can either turn it off entirely, or better yet, set up a 4-digit voice code. This way, Alexa will ask for your secret PIN before any credit card is ever charged. Adding a simple 4-digit voice PIN acts like a safety catch for your wallet. It only takes a second to enable, and it provides a lot of peace of mind. But even with a PIN, is the device still listening to you? A common question I get is my Echo device listening to me? While it's only waiting for the wake word, your voice recordings can be stored and used for AI training by default. If you'd rather keep those interactions private, you can actually opt out of human review. Let's walk through the setting that gives you that control back. Tap the 3 horizontal bars at the bottom of the screen for the More menu. In the Alexa Privacy menu, go to Manage your Alexa data and find Help Improve Amazon Alexa. Toggle the switch off for use of voice recordings. This ensures your audio isn't part of their manual review process. Privacy isn't about being invisible. It's about having the power to choose what you share. By spending 5 minutes on these 4 settings, you've taken back control of your Echo. Any of these changes can be modified by you at any time. If you noticed a slight lag in response time after turning off Sidewalk, check out the troubleshooting table in the description. I'm also currently working on a guide for using password managers. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that setup. I'm Morgan, and I'll see you in the next one.